Hello YouTube, this is SWLA Mech 84 again. Back out in the shop playing around. I've put some extra threads on here using one of my internal threading tools. It's the little grizzly tool that I showed you in one of the previous videos. And I really like the threads that it puts on there. And I'm going to try to go through and I'm going to go ahead and part this off. I'm going to cut these threads off. That way I can put a good bore. And I'm going to actually, practice on this piece of practice material some more. I'll give you a little shot of the surface finish that I ended up with after I sanded a little bit. Back out here. You can see here a little bit of sandpaper. At a high speed, I can get a nice mirror finish on there. I'm really pleased with that. So I'm going to part this piece off. And then I'm going to bore it out and I'm going to practice my connection. I've been playing with the threads on here. Really, I'm just kind of waiting for my other material to come in. I could save this and use it for something, but I'd rather go ahead and get everything figured out for it. So I'm going to get this parted off. I'm going to run it 360. And I'm just gonna hand feed this in there. But first I'm gonna get my little vacuum system set up here. The other day I went to Lowe's and got a bathroom vent fan and some dryer vent. And it works pretty good for getting the fumes into the other part of the shop. Out of my closed room here. Okay. Okay, switch back to my other tool bit. Put my feeds back on. And I'm going to go to 500, 600 RPM. And I'm going to clean this coating off of here. Alright, got that nice and cleaned off. And I'm going to make this the female side. So I'm going to switch to my boring board now. I'm going to come in and find 0. There's 0, and I'm going to take a 10 thousandths pass. And I'm going to see what that bore is. It's 2.026. I need to bore to 2.205. So I've got 200 thousandths. So go ahead and go 100 thousandths. I'm going to zero my dial. I need to go 100 thousandths, and I'm going to take it in 10 thousandths increments. So it's going to be a lot of cutting. So I'll speed the video up for that. Okay, I'm at 2.201, so I only have 4 thousandths left to go. It's going to be pretty hard to get on this. Alright, that's our finished bore there, for the most part. Now I'm going to bore 2.265, so another 60 thousandths for a distance of 188 thousandths. So I'm going to come out 60 thousandths, and I'm going to go 188 thousandths. think for this, I'm gonna flip it upside down here and go to the other side so I can see what I'm doing. Okay. Switch over to threading. We do 24 threads per inch. That's C6. I'm in C right now. 6. I'm going to go 200 RPM. Okay, that looks to be working pretty good. Okay. Some more to go. Let me get a little air on that. Go a couple more. Okay, one convenient way that I know my thread depth is right on this. Let me get some air in here real quick. I like this threading bit because it has a topper on it. Get it out there and show you. It won't focus. But it has a actual flat behind there, so it'll skim the top of the threads once you've gotten to thread depth. And in here, I've only made this threaded area as tall as the threads. This thread relief here and this thread relief there are the only difference in OD are the actual height of the threads. So when I hear my bit skimming on this, I know that I've reached my thread depth because I've only allowed that much. I can cut until I hear a skim on this surface here, and a skim and a thread relief, because they're both the same diameter. And I know that I've reached my thread depth there. So there's my female section, and I'll probably try to cut the male section tomorrow night. Thank you for watching.